Welcome back to our channel where creativity meets sustainability. Today, we're diving into a special DIY project series that transforms everyday discarded items into stunning and functional home decor. From colorful chandeliers to innovative furniture, these projects not only beautify your space, but also help reduce waste. Let's reduce, reuse, and redesign with style. Let's light up our living space with our first project, a dazzling chandelier made from recycled glass bottles. Imagine turning those empty bottles from last weekend's gathering into a mesmerizing light fixture that catches every eye. We'll start by selecting bottles in various colors and shapes, ensuring they are clean and label-free. Watch as we arrange them in a descending order on a sturdy metal frame, securing each bottle with a strong adhesive and wire. The light reflecting through the colored glass will cast a beautiful spectrum throughout your room, making this not just a source of light but a piece of art. Next, we're turning old newspapers into a chic wall art masterpiece. Who thought that yesterday's news could decorate today's walls? We'll fold and roll the newspapers to create different shades and textures. By assembling these rolled papers into a dynamic and abstract pattern, we attach them to a canvas backing. This eco-friendly art piece not only adds a modern touch to your walls, but also tells a story of transformation and creativity. Moving on, an old car tire gets a new lease on life as a rustic yet chic coffee table. We clean and paint the tire in a deep, rich hue to match any decor. A custom-cut piece of glass is placed on top, turning what once was roadworthy into a conversation piece that's both practical and stylish. This upcycled coffee table is not just a center of attraction, but also a testament to the possibilities lying in everyday objects. Our journey of transformation continues with a bed frame crafted from reclaimed wooden pallets. These pallets, once used for transporting goods, now find a new purpose. We sand and treat the wood to bring out its natural grains and colors, then assemble the pallets to create a sturdy, minimalist bed frame. This piece brings a warm, organic feel to the bedroom, perfect for a restful night's sleep surrounded by the beauty of upcycled wood. Add a splash of color and comfort to your home with throw pillows made from recycled fabric scraps. We select fabrics of various textures and colors, cutting them into creative shapes and sewing them together. Filled with soft, eco-friendly stuffing, these pillows are not only cozy but also a vibrant testament to sustainable fashion in home decor. Our final project transforms used plastic bottles into a lush vertical garden. Each bottle is cut and painted, then filled with soil and plants. Mounted on a wall, these bottle planters create a green living tapestry that improves air quality and brings life to any room. It's a beautiful way to repurpose plastic and engage with urban gardening. Thank you for joining us on this creative journey through upcycling and sustainability in home decor. Each project we shared today not only enhances your living space but also contributes to a healthier planet by repurposing materials that would otherwise end up in landfills. Which project was your favorite? Are you inspired to try one? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to spread the word about sustainable living. Happy crafting, and see you in the next video.